This cleanses your kidneys, detoxifies the liver, and eliminates urinary tract infections. Detoxifying your kidneys, liver, and bladder regularly will help prevent complications. I have this habit at home, and taking care of my health has become a routine. That's why I want to share with you this homemade recipe that I use to cleanse my kidneys, detoxify my liver, and get rid of that annoying urinary tract infection that refuses to go away. The liver is the largest organ in our body and is involved in many metabolic processes, from bile secretion, necessary for digestion, to the detoxification of our blood. In turn, we have the kidneys, responsible for filtering waste and excess water from our blood through structures called nephrons. It's worth noting that urine is one of the many ways the body balances its water balance and eliminates remaining toxins. And when we neglect it, our bladder suffers from urinary tract infections. That's why, before any complications arise, it's ideal to adopt a natural purification method that helps boost the expulsion of waste affecting them. Today, I want to suggest a very healthy juice whose properties help restore their functions. This juice is straightforward to prepare, and I'll discuss the benefits of its ingredients with you after I teach you how to make it. So take note of how to prepare it. You will need 2 carrots, 1 cucumber, 1 cup of 300 milliliters of water, and the juice of half a lemon. Clean the vegetables well, removing the skin from all of them, and cut them into small cubes to make it easier to put in the blender. After cutting them, add them to the blender cup and add the water. Process everything for a few seconds until you get a homogeneous and chunk-free juice. Serve immediately and add the juice of half a lemon. For proper cleansing, I drink it on an empty stomach for at least 3 consecutive weeks. If your goal is just to supplement your diet, drink it 2 to 3 times a week. Carrot and cucumber juice is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory drink that has become popular worldwide for its ability to detoxify our body. Its high concentration of essential nutrients helps restore the functions of the excretory organs, being crucial to promoting the elimination of toxins from our blood. Carrot is known for its high nutritional value, recommended for the treatment of kidney difficulties related to the accumulation of waste in the blood. Carrot consumption is positive for liver function, as it has hepatoprotective abilities. It contains large amounts of vitamin A, B, C, and vitamin E, whose assimilation helps inhibit the negative effects of free radicals on cells. Its enzymes help protect the digestive system and prevent constipation. By reducing fluid retention, it relieves the burden on the kidneys and reduces the risk of inflammatory diseases. Known as one of the lowest-calorie foods, cucumber is an important ally for renal and urinary health. It is composed of 95% water, making it a powerful diuretic that helps eliminate retained fluids in the body. It provides a significant amount of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which, after assimilation, promote the breakdown of waste retained in the kidneys. It increases urine production and facilitates the elimination of microbes in the urinary tract, helping to end urinary tract infections. It has a flavonoid known as fisetin, which prevents the deterioration of renal tissues and inflammation. Its contribution of beta-carotene and quercetin reduces the risk of chronic diseases. It strengthens the immune system and prevents the onset of viral and bacterial infections. This juice is great, isn't it?